Hi, my name is Bernardson, and today, top 6 reasons why some brands do not use video. No matter what your reasons are for not including video in your marketing, the reasons don't make much sense compared to the success using video could provide. Video is now the #1 online traffic generator, and not using it will hurt your business. We are going to talk about the top 6 reasons why some brands don't use video and bust those myths. Number 1, video production costs too much. Most valuable marketing methods require an investment, even if it is a do-it-yourself video. That's why, before doing a video, you need to plan the shoot for better results. A lot of cell phones today are capable of giving you great quality results at a lower price tag. But even cell phone video are getting more and more expensive now. You still need great lighting, a laptop or desktop computer to edit, software, and your time. That is just the basic equipment. And for sure, you could skip the laptop or desktop editing and use the sun for light, but if you're recording, editing, and uploading several videos from your cell phone, it will be time consuming and probably the least efficient way to produce video while running a business. You could leave that task to an untrained friend or pay overtime for an employee without the proper skill to struggle through the process, but you will lose more because they are not allocating their time to do what they do best. Your video should be a marketing tool that helps you communicate with your client, and in some cases, minimize your risk. Number 2, it takes too much time. What is your budget? What is the deadline? Who will be in your video? Where are we shooting? Video have multiple components, and it might take less time than you think if you hire the right person. Also, the result of using this form of marketing start immediately. You get long-term and medium-term results as well. You cannot beat that. Number 3, the lack of result. I post my video and nothing happened. Well, did you just post your video, or did you track your video with analytics, viewership, and post interaction? Do you have a call to action in your video? Have you verified how many minutes people have watched it? How many click to your website or your product? Or did you just post the video and hope a miracle would happen? So short video posts directly on your website grab attention, but placement in social media boosts traffic. The traffic you get from video can be more valuable than any other marketing strategy. Your analytics will quickly show you the type of positive impact that will drive more profit. Don't just post a video and hope. Create your own miracle. Number 4, it doesn't fit into my existing marketing budget. Find a way to make it happen. For example, running an ad on Facebook or Google is less expensive with great visual than overpaying for corny type video content. Most companies engage in multiple types of marketing, including email, SEO, and social media posting. But if these are taking your entire marketing budget, it is time to rethink and find a way to make video fit in the mix. If other ad and optimization methods are bringing in traffic and conversion, why do you need video anyway? With statistics pointing so strongly to video as the main source of traffic and engagement, and the fact that the numbers are growing every year, how can you afford to leave it out? Number 5, the myth that anyone could make a great video. My kids could do that. Wait, many people believe that creating a professional quality video is simple, that they could just whip something together in 20 minutes or so and save a lot of money and time. You can always whip something in 20 minutes, but often those videos do not get the result you want. Personally, I've never met a child that could mic, set up a camera, give communication and branding tips to an actor or company spokesperson, create and manage invoice, deal with multiple company stakeholders, and more. Yet, I get multiple calls from potential clients wanting a discount because their kid could make a video. If you want to work with a video production business that consider your current business situation and target market, please don't compare them to your kids. And if you have a video person at home that truly can do all of that, I want to work with them because I'm always looking for a great videographer to partner with. Number 6, failure to consult a true professional. All of the above myths still exist because too many brands fail to consult video content professional. When a brand doesn't understand how a video creates engagement and why an investment in it truly matters, it leads to excuses not to use it at all. I've seen in some cases that if you pay a real local influencer in your area to post your video, it will give you more engagement and delivery result right away, even if you lose the possibility of tracking your posts. Convinced that video has a truly valuable place in your marketing effort? With this and other myths busted, contacting a professional and social media is your next step. Technology is moving so fast now. If you want to go the DIY way, you can check out my course, Understanding the Camera and How to Present Yourself in Front of It. There's a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.